now we're going to walk you through just changing out your Gooser assembly. Kit 4-817. You'll probably never or rarely have to ever do this, but sometimes they get damaged and you just want to change the whole assembly.
Yeah, the other thing is with this is we sell this stuff as a full assembly, and you'll find a lot of our kits come in as full assemblies versus individual pieces parts. So when you put this on, you know it's going to start your taper back up. And like Robby said, you know, it's all about advancing the tape. This could get bent or damaged, or you could have this magnet pop out of there. But again, it's not a part that you're going to replace on a frequent basis. But it's pretty simple. So I'll walk you through how to do that.
What you want to do is just take out this screw that holds your Gooser rod in. After you remove the screw down here, just kind of pull it out a little bit. Your old Gooser assembly slides right off. Slide your new one right on. Line up the screw hole. And reinstall your screw. You may need to readjust your needle